Justice Peralta, ako po ay sumasang-ayon.
Okay. Although that case now is under
Subject of a
reconsideration,
motion
subject
for
to a motion for
But we are
reconsideration.
hopeful and...
Tinanong ko yan kasi, may nagsasabi kasi, kung meron protest, nasa rules natin kasi, ang unang titignan mo, yung picture image para maintindihan natin lahat, those who are listening from us. Kasi doon sa picture image, pag pinasok mo yung balota, nakikita yung, napipicturan yung ano yung balota So makikita doon sa picture image kung sinong binoto.
Tama po.
Okay. So, when there is a protest, you do not rely on manual counting.
Tama po.
That is your position, hindi ho ba?
Totoo po.
But we assume that the picture image is intact. Hindi ho ba?
Ito po ay well-guarded.
We will not talk about that case, kasi it's pending with you Okay? Para maliwanagan lang ang publiko because you talk about picture image. Yung picture image, naka-record dyan?
Naka-record at nakatago po yung CF cards.
Sa CF cards?
Opo.
So, ang proseso, kung ito ang boto mo, ipapasok mo sa balota, may nagka-capture ng picture yan Hindi ba?
Totoo po.
Then papasok yung balota, binilang na.
Tama po.
Binilang na Nakalagay nga doon sa congratulations nga minsan, interpretation ng congratulations, nanalo ka na But actually, congratulations because you voted properly. Yan ang ibig sabihin nun, hindi ba?
Tama po.
So kung may protesta at sinabi niyan talo siya, ang gagawin ng RTC or the HRT is to look for the CF cards, hindi ba?
Tama po.
Minsan may instances walang CF card Are you aware of that, no?
Sa aming karanasan po, Justice Peralta, yung makaso po na-resolve namin.
Meron din,
Mayroon po mga CF cards na ginagamit po namin. Kaya nga po, paglobas
but meron mga ibang CF, meron mga mga ballot sa boxes na walang CF card. Meron, I think, I will not mention because it's pending before the HRET, where I sit as a member. Kaya ganun po ang sistema Hindi ho ba? Kaya mas madali ngayon sa PICOS, mag-resolve ng cases.
Totoo po yan, Justice. As a matter of fact, maraming kasong winidraw po ng protestant.
Kasi because of the 25% na...
20% po.
Okay, you first proceed with the 25%. If there's no sufficient recovery, then there's no need to the remaining 75% protested presents. Hindi ba?
Tama po.
Ayun. Kaya mabilis.
Mabilis po.
So magandang PICOS machine.
Maganda po, Justice Peralta, kaya nga po ako po ay saludo sa inyo sa magandang desisyon niyo po. Sa kasong Kapalya versus Comelec. Gingona versus Comelec.
Sampu na iboboto ko nito. So, thank you very much. On that note, thank you very much. Maraming salamat, Commissioner Rene. Okay, maraming salamat.
Salamat po.
The last one.
Your Honors, the last to be interviewed today is retired Judge Manuel De Jesus Ciainco of the Regional Trial Court, Branch 6, Malolos, Bulacan.
Okay. Judge, you may take your seat. Attorney Cayusa will now ask the questions.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good afternoon, Judge Ciainco. What is the proper way to pronounce your surname, sir?
Ciainco po, sir.
Ciainco. Okay, Judge Ciainco. You indicated in your PDS that you are married. Is there any truth to the report that you sought an annulment of your marriage?
Oh, yes, Your Honor. There was an annulment proceeding which was finally decided by the Supreme Court, reversing the lower court's decision. And now, we're together again. My wife is here.
Thank you. You recently retired as an RTC judge, and after serving the court for 10 years, why did you decide to retire?